This is the Seaflo Quiet Flush Toilet installed in dual rinse mode, and today we're going to demonstrate it. This is salt water. This is fresh water. Salt water turns on the salt water pump. Fresh water releases the solenoid, letting the freshwater system of the boat fill the bowl. Here you can see the installation of the solenoid valve at the top of the screen. We tee into the freshwater line running to the solenoid, and then the white tube runs to tee in right after the flush pump. One of those wires runs to the panel and the other one runs to negative. Use fresh water to keep the toilet clean and odor free, but then you always have the option of using salt water when fresh water is scarce.